Why you should know your city credit score. Yes, I said that right. Your city credit score. Each city has a credit score, okay, that's compiled through statistical data over maybe a 12-month period of people applying for credit in that city, all right? And that data is compiled into a report that is then generated or populates a city credit score. Okay, many people don't know that your city credit score could have an impact on you being approved for credit, because some bankers or lenders will target their marketing of promotional offers, pre-approvals, pre-selections to cities that actually have higher credit scores. So that way they're not wasting their marketing or advertising budget. Okay, so for that purpose alone, just know what your city credit score is, so that way you can just be aware of it. Okay, it may not have a major impact on you getting approved for new credit, but it could have a minor impact. So know your city's credit score.